Looks like we have. Looks like it's trying to develop a funnel. But I can't be sure. And my freaking cell phone's a lot. Oh, it's just me. Where's my phone? There it is. Give me a heart attack. Alright. And it did that again. It dropped my radar.
You would just need to know.
I gotta take my Gappa pen.
Yeah, I see a horseshoe right there, definitely. Well, let's go here. Right on.
Yeah, you can see the horseshoe on the live feed. A lot of times when that happens, you look at the ends. That's where your tornadoes will be. And if memory serves me right, it'll be on the north end.
Looking at velocity, this north of that, I got that number, the number one indicator, and that's where I'm seeing a lot of red, green all the way around it.
I haven't looked at velocities for a bit. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Okay, let's look at correlation. No, correlation isn't going with it, but
That's just north one of those.
would it be north? No, it'd be right where I'm at Revere. And I think that's what we're looking at. I'm almost positive.
Yeah, but on the other side, that horseshoe, just to the west of Revere, northwest, that's where the red is on the velocity. be on the northeast or northwest side of that horseshoe.
Yeah, but remember the radar is always a couple minutes behind.
Copy that. Okay. That's true. So
Yeah,
that's what we're watching.
correct. We are talking the same thing.
You're not supposed to agree with me.
Looks like she's starting to develop a funnel.
Copy.
Alright. I am calling it. NWS. Yes, this is Frank Morrow. My spotter ID number is Blue Earth County D-9. I'm south of Revere on Cottonwood County Road 6. We got a wall cloud with some strong rotation. It is dropping occasional funnels. I'm looking at my velocities on my radar, and they look pretty strong to me. Yep. Yes. And it does drop occasional funnels out of it. Yep, no problem. Bye. Okay. That'll likely go severe warned. Or tornado warned now. He agreed with me. He says, yep, we see it. I think they were just waiting for somebody to call it in. Alright, we need to move. Get on the front side of it. So I'm going to head back to 71. I will keep the camera concentrated on. Damn! I don't know what that was. So all my tires are up. My camera in here? Yep. My camera's in here. My cell phone's in here. Alright. I will work on getting us back in front of it. If I can stay on the road. This is going to be heading towards Wyndham. Most likely. Possible St. James. I haven't panned out. Yeah, it looks like it's heading towards the Wyndham area, possibly southeast Cottonwood County, southwest Wantagh County. I expect it to go tornado warning real quick. Real quick. Like I said, I'm going to try and get out in front of it again. It is horn. Tornado warning for this storm, y'all.
About 10:45. 10:34 p.m. Tornado is located in Walnut Grove, 27 miles southwest of Revere Falls, moving southeast 20 miles an hour. Tornado and quarter-sized hail. Radar indicated location. Flying location for that. Location that includes Walnut Grove, Lambert.
Okay, guys. If you're in the path of this storm, time to take cover is now. As soon as I can get on Highway 14, I'll be going back east 71. Okay, I got the railroad back, so I got inch and a half hail indicated on here. And it is tornado warrant, so my lights are on.
Going right into the branch if you want to 14.
Copy. I won't be able to see it though. Holy criminy.
Copy, just be careful.
Okay, buddy, if you're in the path of this storm, don't dick around. Don't try to go outside and see it. You won't be able to. Not unless you're on the, just like that, we're out of the rain. Good. Good, good, good. Okay. Let's see if I can find it again. I'm going to stay with it. I'm going to head south on 17.
The horseshoe is right on top of Revere. Maybe a little bit further west.
Copy that. I just drove out of it. As soon as I get to 71, I'm going south. At least I thought I drove out of it.
Well, you're going to be driving right back into it because it's right between Revere and Lambert.
Yeah, I'm on the forward flank downdraft. Where it stopped raining is the core. I went right through the core. So at least we know it's not on the ground.
Copy that. Yeah, reporting inch and a half hail, moving east southeast 16 miles.
Got it. When I get to 71, I'm going south. I'm in the forward flank downdraft.
You might be going into that show. I don't know.
I'm in the forward flank downdraft. I should be coming out of that pretty quick. cop in front of me or not? Okay, I'm coming into Lamberton. There's a tornado warning downstream from it.
We just confirmed another tornado warning. Stand by. Tornado warning. Southwestern Cottonwood County in southern Minnesota. Until 11:15 at 10:38. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Lamberton, 25 miles northeast of Lake, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Radar indicated. Overheat over the rural area. North.
Okay, everybody, you heard him.
Hill at about 3/4 inch.
Copy, thank you. You heard him, y'all. This is not something you really want to mess around with. It's nighttime tornadoes. They are the most dangerous tornadoes. It doesn't matter the size. They kill twice as many people as daytime ones do.
This whole storm is moving south-southeast, 36 miles an hour, and that's a huge line from Tracy all the way down to Southbridge.
Copy. Okay, I got 7 miles to Highway 71. From there, we'll be able to go south and we'll be able to drive out of it. My phone still has not told me about the tornado warning.
Copy.
And that, people, is why I say don't rely on your cell phone.
That's mine, but I'm way out east yet.
Yeah, it's only going to warn the area you're in.
Copy.
Which I know you know that. But
I know that. Yeah, and it does, like, oh yeah. Like, they are live on call.
is it, I'm done now. I'm drawing the blank. Our South Dakota boy. Okay, everybody. Okay, Sean. Yeah.
No, it's not cable. I think it's
Hello. Yes, I did. Right now I'm heading back east on 14. I'm going to go south on 71 and try to get ahead of it. So, yep. I am going to stay with it until it hits the Minnesota-Iowa border. It's Brewers County, D-9. Brewer. Yep. You bet. Yep, you do. Bye. I had a feeling that's who it was. With National Weather Service wanting an update. Okay. I am going to try my darndest to get ahead of it. Yeah, velocities it's still showing there. It's coming into the new tornado warning. It will be coming into Cottonwood County if it's not already there. It'll be in Cottonwood County within the next minute. I am trying to be as safe as I can, y'all. Time is 10:46.
Yeah, it's just hitting the county line right now. They have first tornado warning. Second one's still alive for another half hour. Like,
Copy. Yeah, I told them I would stay with this all the way to the state line, so as long as it's staying and showing signs of rotation. I cannot see anything, so hopefully they got Jeffers spotters out. I think it's going to go.
now, looking at the edge of this thing, the southeast edge of this thing, it looks like it's just going to go just south of St. James. St. James might get into it.
Copy. I hope not. Not as long as I got family there. Yeah, the path it's taking, it does appear that it's going to go into southwest Brewer County, Whatmont County. Sorry. And
All stuff that west Wyndham is moving northeast, connecting along with this south of Washington.
copy. I don't know if I'll be able to get ahead of it on 71 yet. I'm going to try. Yeah, the problem is, I forgot about the curve that goes outside of Sanborn. I had to do a slow down. How fast did you say it was going, Ed?
Stand by. Where that horseshoe was, just north of Tornado Ward, moving about 8 miles an hour. So, yeah, so.
Copy, so I should be able to get ahead of it.
Otherwise, I'm not really being I would have been 25, 30, maybe possible 35 miles an hour.
I'm almost wondering if I get to... No, I'm not going to go to my spot south of Jeffrey. That would be too much gravel to be on it when it's raining this hard in the dark, and if there is a possible tornado. Okay, I'll be entering the tornado warning again here really quick. Thank you, Drucker. I need my windshield cleaned.
Now, these cars, those that are turning up to the tier 1 should start to get through now. And I think that's what it is.
Yeah, the circulation on this does appear to be broadening out, but it might just be cycling left. I'm just going to stick with what I told them. I'm going to stay with it as long as it stays tornado warned. There's no signs of producing anything.
Copy.
Coming out of it, hopefully. I hit dry roads, and I'm gonna turn around and try and give you guys another shot. about a mile, I'll be out of the tornado warning again. But then I'll be able to turn around and we'll see if we can see anything more. Roads are getting dry. Roads are getting wet.
Okay, that hook that we were watching that's now registering as a 2, which is still moving east-southeast at 18 miles an hour. Max hail size 2.25.
Copy, thank you. Alright. We're coming up on a good spot here, I think. I'm just going to whip the truck around. I'm not even sure where we are right now. Here's the road sign. Okay. Cottonwood County Road 10 coming up. Which means we're about 2 miles, 3 miles outside of Wyndham. Okay. Damn corn. Alright, it's still there. It's still there. Alright. I'll get the truck stopped and we'll get it called in. Yeah, it's picking up too. Yes, this is Frank Morrow. My spotter ID number is Blue Earth County D-9. I'm calling you with an update on that Cottonwood County tornado warning. The lowering in the rotation is still there. I'm on Highway 71, just north of Cottonwood County Road 10. Alrighty, thank you. Yep, bye. I don't have Sioux Falls number. Sorry. All right. I knew it was going to be an interesting night. And I knew I picked the right storm. I don't know why I knew. I just knew. So we'll watch this here. No need to get out now.
Yeah, if you're on County Road if you're on 71 just north of 10, you're just south, or just north of Jeffers. You haven't even reached 30 yet. So you're far from Wyndham.
Well, hell.
Yeah, you're right in line with that.
Yeah, I'm on the northern edge of it. I'm kind of wondering if I shouldn't work south more and get on the southern edge. In fact, I'm not even going to second guess myself.
Yeah, I copy that.
We know it's there. So if I go about 2 or 3 miles south of Highway 30, right in the area of Cottonwood County Road 3,
At least get around 30. That way you know which way to go or southeast.
yeah, copy. I'm thinking Cottonwood County Road 3 would be a good option.
Yeah, I copy that. That's when you turn turbo.
Okay, everybody, I do expect them to extend this tornado warning. Don't be surprised if it does include parts of Watonwan County. So just get ready for it, y'all. It is not a confirmed tornado. It is a confirmed severe thunderstorm with a rotating wall cloud. Okay? And I know this because I'm the one that confirmed it. So, if any of my family and friends ever took my advice before or have never taken it, now is the time to do it. If this stays strong, and I think it will, because it really hasn't shown any signs of letting up since all these, the 3 or 4 clusters of storms that we were chasing up by Granite Falls came together. I fully expect this to go down into eastern Jackson County and pretty much all of Martin County. Okay, I'm coming up on Minnesota Highway 30. I'm going to keep going south. Hopefully by the time I get to County Road 3, I'll be out of this rain. I'm not in the tornado warning. I'm ahead of it.
New indicator saying that the storm is moving east at about 50 miles an hour. It's catching up to you. Just, everything's kind of growing. You got something there just east of Jeffers on Journey.
Copy. I'm zoomed in on the tornado warning storm. I need to back out. Okay. I can zoom back in. I'm not real concerned about the stuff that's to the east of it. This whole thing is developing into a line of storms. The worst of it right now is the western half of it. Okay?
I copy that. I just let you know how fast some of this stuff over by New Ulm, going into Lee Crystal, that's going maybe about 30-35 miles an hour.
Yeah, copy. I'm just letting anybody that's watching know.
The only people that's watching that feed is pretty much you, me, and I think one other, I'm not sure.
Yeah, but there might be more on the Big Winds page.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's start watching for County Road 3. Hopefully I didn't pass it. I don't think I have. Junction of County Road 50. Alright, I'm going to turn around up here on this hill. Give you guys another view. Now, there's still, I might be too far ahead now. To be honest. Yeah, I think I'm too far ahead now. That's all right. And they did extend the tornado warning.
They just issued you tornado warning.
Would you quit copying me?
Right, but other things here too, right? And I just said that. Okay, tornado warning for central Cottonwood County in southwestern Minnesota until midnight. 11:10 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Jeffers, or 17 miles north of Windham, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Tornado and half-size dollar hail possible. Radar indicator rotation. Gauge of storm will be near Jeffers around 11:15 p.m.
In 3 minutes. Die. Oh yes, this is going to go over about half of Wantagh County. Okay, so my St. James family, Mike, if you're awake and you're watching this, hope you guys are up.
Andy needed on.
What is on?